Alright, welcome to this new series starring me. It will be henceforth known as, oh my face is out of the sun, as the 40-Year-Old Daily. Basically, if we all had unlimited money, you know, most people would be driving real expensive cars to work every day, but I think all of us, the good thing about having some money is you can drive the worst piece of shit to work every day and you have the money to fix and pay for the enormous amounts of fuel they use. So that's what this experiment is. I'm currently sitting in my new 40-Year-Old Daily, which over the course of a few episodes and stuff will be driving to work, you know, seeing how they actually go, because, you know, these were dailies for people back in the day, so like, why can't they be dailies now? We'll be fixing up things that break. I'm going to be modifying it just to make it a little bit more me, make it a little bit more vibey. So yeah, if you want to follow along and just, you know, see how realistic it actually is to be driving a cool old car to work. So I will introduce it. I might be a bit boring, unfortunately, because we already have one on the channel, but it is another T140 generation Toyota Corona.
You try so hard. You try so hard. You try so hard. You try so hard.
I looked at a few cars, basically anything 80s and Toyota. Looked at a few early Celicas and that sort of thing. They're a little bit more expensive, yada yada. Came upon this basically perfect condition 1986 RT142 Corona. So that differs slightly to our yellow race car in that it's got an R series engine, so it's a 22 RE, which is a 2.4, still single cam, but AFI. They're probably most known for being in every petrol Hilux for 50 years. This one is unfortunately an automatic, but that should be changing soon. It's an Avanti, so we get some ugly but painted bumpers. We get cruise control, power mirrors, central locking, 2 odometers, because why not, a clock, oil pressure gauge, pretty cool, tacho, that's pretty fancy, and also rear disc brake and IRS. So it's actually the same suspension as an MA61 Supra in the rear and the front. So pretty easy to get sway bars, coilovers, that sort of stuff for it, and so that's what we'll be doing, probably getting some nice wheels as well. So yeah, not too much plans for it so far, but yeah, wheels, tyres, suspension, maybe manual swap, and we'll see how we go from there. But yeah.